first glue up. It's getting close. I'm not sure. I think if you smell this stuff, it's probably not good for you.
That'll make you see funny things.
Do you get high off it?
Well, I'm sure you could.
I bet. So you put it on both surfaces, I guess.
Yeah.
First, he paints it with the primer, and then he adds the glue after.
And that's the primer. And do you have to put another glue on there, or?
Yeah, we do glue over top of the primer.
Okay, so that has to set or dry?
Nope.
Oh, it's ready to go then, huh? So then you do the second stage, which is putting the glue on. I want to make sure that's nice and tight, flip it back around. And of course the glue is going to be, stuck. Well, I can smell it up here. It's strong. Okay, so he did the primer, now he's putting the glue on. He's got to get it on the inside too. And that's going to make a super good seal. Then we're going to slide her in. And we're going to make sure it fits. Just got to get it. How many seconds do you have before it adheres?
It's already adhered.
Oh, so you're locked in at that position.
Mm-hmm.
So make sure that you know where you want it before you do that.
Yeah.
From what I understand. Learning plumbing here at Delray Beach, Casa del Mar, on Casuarina Street. No, I guess we're going right for it. You know it's right, so that's what I'm figuring. So now we're going to put on the primer, and then we're going to put the glue on.
So first he puts on that purple or blue primer, and then after that he'll put on the glue.
So this was fixed once before, but they didn't fix it properly. Yeah. Or maybe it just broke off because it was fixed at the other end. It was tied in over there. So this was probably screwed up. But at least we got it all snaked out. It's all been scaled. And shit, we're almost done, man. Look how close we are.
Nice drop there too.
Yeah. It's got a good pitch. It's going to bring it up just a tad. And basically, this is his company now.
Oh, yeah.
He's been there for 7 years. Without him, the thing would stand still.
I think that's what everybody tells themselves, huh?
Why not? Why not? They got you doing it. I mean, the big job, so you must be like the best guy there.
Everybody that works here's got their own
specialities.
All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out all the other cool videos on how to do stuff. I've never done it before, but I'm going to figure it out and learn, and you can too.